Oh, this is Omnia OnlyFans, and we're opposite Omnia. Guys, everyone go to the platform later. Okay, click your Sake Grass Juice now. Sake Grass Juice. Walgrehen Stone also, please. You're opposite them, ah. Optimize your skills. Everyone go to the MVP platform. We're going to use Cat Cafe on the first clash. Claw, please choke them on the stairs where they will be coming from. Apex, hold the middle. And then Boa, defensive MVP killers. No, it's just Omnia. They're going to pressure us, like what they did last time. Expel quicker. The key to win here is expel faster. Okay, speed kick, fast kick now. Ah, no, not yet. Sorry. 2 seconds. They have, yeah, all Infinite has a lot of MVP. We need to win the MVP platform, guys. We will hold the MVP platform for a long time, and the middle later. Okay, speed kick, fast kick now. PFE, okay, MVP. There might be render issue, Skill now. Kill the MVP. Kill. Expel, expel. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Manual reso, guys. Manual reso. They're expelling quick, Push. Go back. Okay, there's one party on our junction. Kill that one first. All at the MVP, please. Continuously to pressure them. Go back to the platform now, guys. Go back to the platform. Don't fight on the junction now. Go back to the platform now. Go back to the platform. Get the first MVP. They got it. Okay, all claw in Apex. All claw in Apex. Go to the middle now, and then go to the junction of Infinite Omnia. Claw in Apex. I want us to break Omnia quick. And then choke them. Claw in Apex. Let's choke them. Let's counter choke them. All claw in Apex. Apex 2, Emp Def. Only go Apex 1 with them. Boa spread out on the MVP platform. Apex 2 Def. Choke them. Claw. Claw 1 and Claw 2, I want you to prioritize breaking Omnia. Claw 1 and Claw 2, prioritize breaking Omnia. Just choke them, Claw 1 and Claw 2. Apex 2 full def. All Boa. Go back to our junction, all Boa. Go back to our junction. All Boa, go back to our junction. Give the MVP to them. Continue to use your cat cafe, guys. 10 seconds, Claw. I want you to break Omnia very quick. Go up to their base now. Break them now, Claw. Break them now. Claw 1 and Claw 2. Apex 2, someone came through. Kill that one. That's breaking. Sanctuary, don't land prone our stack. Sanctuary. Reso to our base. Kill them guys, kill them guys. Apex 2 and Bawa. Don't let them pass through. Expel them quick on our base. Claw. Break them. Claw 1 and Claw 2, not yet breaking. Status, Kyle. Claw 1 and Claw 2, break Omnia, please. Expel them quickly. Apex 2. Cat Cafe, Claw 1 and Claw 2, expel them. Break them. Claw 1 and Claw 2. Apex 1, go to the M as well and break them. Cat Cafe, gas, speed kick, fast kick. Boa and Apex 2, full def, ah. Status. Claw 1 and Claw 2, not yet breaking. Nice one, Calix. Okay. Now choke them. Claw 1 and Claw 2, choke them and farm them. Farm infinite. Apex 1 and Apex, Apex 2, full def. Sanctuary on our M. Sanctuary, light shield on our M. Boa, go to our junction now. Claw 1 and Claw 2, choke infinite. MVP killer, go to the platform now. It should be free. Claw 1 and Claw 2, go to 3 o'clock. Take 3 o'clock, Claw 1 and Claw 2. Avoid triple rush. Don't get broken, ha? Boa and Apex 2. Don't get broken. Cancel that Doomsday on our junction, guys. Elf, cancel that Doomsday. Okay, we got broken now. Okay, everyone go to the middle. Now. Run to the middle for now. We have to take this late game tempo. We don't have any MVP yet. Go to the middle now, everyone. We're going to take it from the middle, guys. Okay, we got the middle. Yeah, okay. Hold the middle now, Apex. Apex 1 and Apex 2, hold the middle. Boa and Claw, go to the choke point of Infinite. We're going to backstab them to the MVP platform now. Go. Boa and Claw. Infinite junction, please. Boa and Claw, Infinite junction now. Manual Resu. Hold them first. Swipe them first here. Apex, hold the middle, please.
Junction din natin, binablock.
Summon your party, guys. Summon your party. Summon them out. You have invulnerability. Summon your party. Check your minimap. Continuously hold this one. Hold the choke point of Infinite. Because that's what they're going to do the entire game. They're just going to pressure us. Don't worry about the Che Guevara and the OnlyFans. Claw in Boa. Hold Infinite Junction. Continuously use Cat Cafe now. Okay. Resummon middle, guys, everyone. Retake middle. Che Guevara is about to win. Summon to middle. Summon to middle. Summon, please. Summon middle. Summon middle, guys. The green is taken the middle already. Speed kick, fast kick, if you want to get out of the base. The Infinite is choking us. Claw 1. Please choke, Please choke and infinite the purple. Please choke and break the purple one. Clearance, clearance, guys, clearance. Itong infinite na to. Guys, don't spend too much time on our junction. Speed kick, fast kick, and then steal ice. Go to the middle now. Okay, everyone, reconvene at the middle. Reconvene at the middle now. Check the minimap, please. Check the minimap. Check the minimap. Okay, after this one, we will go to the... Oh, they're already attacking the OnlyFams. No worry, no worry. Hold the middle for now. Hold the middle for now. Get ready, guys, ha? We will go back to the infinite choke point again. Okay, everyone, go to the infinite choke point now. Apex Bawaklo. 3 of you. Summoners, stay at the middle. Summoners, stay at the middle. Then summon us back later. Go north, everyone. Go north. Choke point and then MVP platform. Apex Bawaklo. Shit. Too slow, too slow. Hold him for now. Hold him for now. They got the MVP so quick. Okay, go back to the middle now, everyone. Go back to the middle. From the choke point of infinite, go back to the middle. Go back to the middle. Summon to the middle, summon to the middle. Summon to the middle. Summon to the middle. Summon to the middle, guys. Summon to the middle, please. Don't stay too much time on our junction, guys. Don't stay too much time on our junction. Middle. Summon. Check your gears, huh? Hold this one. I need eyes on the south side. Is it heavily contested? Take the middle. Nice one. Apex Bawaklo, go to the middle for now. Go to the middle for now. Yeah, we will take from south. 11 minutes. Okay, let's go south. Apex, Boa, and Glow. Let's hold the south. Glow, lock in the green one first. Let's take the south. Boa, follow us. Going to 5 o'clock, going to 5 o'clock. Take the south. Southern MVP now. Summon to the MVP. South. Take the south. Speed kick, fast kick now. Summon to the MVP. MVP south. Go to south. South. Cut cafe. South again, south. Oh, they got it again. Klo, can you choke the green one? Klo 1 and 2, choke the green one. And then Boa and Apex take the south side MVP. They're still choking us. Any part of the party that still has summon, go back to the middle and then resummon back. I think it's the last shard for infinite and then they can okay. Go back to the middle now, Apex Bawaklo. Resummon middle. Hold the middle. We're struggling with MVP. We cannot snipe. Let's just drag this to the very last minute. Speed kick, fast kick, guys. Bypass that one. Bypass the choke. Okay, middle again. Speed kick, fast kick. Manual reso, manual reso. The key is not to respond on our base, ha. Wait for manual reso. Hold the middle, guys. Hold the middle. This is three-way clash on the middle. And if you die, and if you're finding it difficult to bypass our junction, you can run to 9 o'clock instead. Run to 9 o'clock. Run to 9 o'clock. You can use also your your fire alloy. Kael is just standing on the junction. Kill him. Physical DPS. Don't get camped, guys. Don't get camped. If you die, you have 3 seconds of invulnerability. Just walk. Okay, everyone that is on the middle, go to the base of Infinite and farm them. Tangina to mga to eh. Go, 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 go. Everyone that is on the middle, go to the base of Infinite. Base, not junction, base. Summon them. Summon there. Everyone that is alive at the middle, go to the base of Infinite. Summon there. Let's farm them at their base. Go, 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 go. Go to their base, everyone that is still alive. Summon to the base of Infinite. They're camping us already, guys. Go to their base. Summon. Quick. Spam and summon. Camp them. Run fast and then summon please. Summon to the base of Infinite. Apex, Bawaklo, whoever is still alive. They're quite free to the north. Heladog on spawn. Performer. Heart on spawn. Go to their base. Go to their base. Spam them. Go to their base. I don't care whatever the result is. Go to their base. They're camping us the entire game. Go. Alloy, continuously farm. Farm them, guys. Where do you respawn? Farm them. Manual reso. If you die on their base, just manual reso. Go. Just spam them on their base. It will be easier for us to control this game if you spam them on their base. Apex, Bawaklo, spam Infinite on their base. So yun ang worry, putang ina nyo eh. Go. Farm them on their base. Go. Run. Go now to 3 o'clock. Run to 3 o'clock now. Run to 3 o'clock now, guys. Run to 3 o'clock. Run to 3 o'clock now. Three o'clock. Run to 3 o'clock. Summon your party. Just check your minimap. Everyone is required to bring at least 5 summoning syrup. That is the entire war. Oh, gago kayo ah. Take. Okay, after taking this, we will go back to Infinite base. Okay, go back to Infinite base. Go back to Infinite base. Spam them. Hold their junction ah. Clock, can you go back to 3 o'clock? Spam them. There's a lot there. Oh, tangina nyo. Go. Push. Clock, hold the 3 o'clock ah. Okay, speed kick, fast kick again. Summon back, 3 o'clock. Run 3 o'clock. Yeah, Che Guevara is on 3, but Infinite is taking it. Pupon itong Che Guevara na to. Tangina. Anjina. There's a position on the junction, guys, that the Jurmon can just stand up and farm you. Kael was just standing there the entire time. What you can do is just to debuff him. We got choked a lot of times. We cannot really even get out.